Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this algebraic problem if given a square plus b square is equal to 9 and a plus b is equal to 1. Then find the expression a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Here given condition a square plus b square is equal to 9. We take this one first. Okay. So a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab, we add and subtract 2ab is equal to 9. And we know that this one a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, okay, is equal to 9. And what is a plus b value? This one is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 2ab is equal to 9. And what is 1 square? Of course 1 minus 2ab is equal to 9. So minus 2ab, both sides subtract 1. So 9 minus 1, 8. And we can easily find out ab value. So 8 upon minus 2 is minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. ab value minus 4. Here we have to find out a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Okay, so a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, we have to find out this value. So can we write a square plus b square is square? Okay, 2 times 2, 4. So here a square plus b square is square. We add 2a square b square and subtract also 2a square b square. Okay, so here this one we can write a square plus b square whole square according to algebraic identity minus 2a square b square. Okay, so what is a square b square value? It is given. A square b square value, this is 9. Okay, we can put here 9 and square. Okay, minus 2. Here a square b square, or we can write ab whole square. So what is ab value? This one, minus 4. So minus 4 square. Okay, a square b square, it means ab whole square, and ab value minus 4. So 9 square is 81 minus 2, and minus 4 square is 16. 81 minus 16 times 2, 32. 81 minus 32 is 49, and this is our final answer. Okay, a to the power 4, b to the power 4 value is 49. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.